Man, there's so much basic. That would have fucking blew him up if it was all on. Oh wait. I'm not with the seizure.
Did they die?
Holy fuck this stuff.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Good shit, good shit. Nice, you killed the driver. Good shit.
Another mystery machine.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good.
Oh wait, don't destroy it. Don't destroy it.
Okay, I just VDM'd him. Whoops. Well, I just VDM'd. Towards me? Are you still in the theory?
Yeah, I'm in the square.
Okay, look towards my hex.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, God.
What I got? Holy shit, what the fuck?
Dude, I killed him! Someone just unflipped the stride.
Oh shit, he's going to the fucking moon.
Like I said, no one ever lives to tell the tale.